Welcome to our how-to series. My name is Paul Worth. In this video I'd like to show you how to move emails to the task list. We would perform this action if an email required us to respond to it, but we wanted to do it at a later time. Normally we would only perform this action if the response to the email is going to take us less than 15 minutes. If the response will take longer, then we suggest you move it to the calendar instead. See our how-to video if that is the case. The easiest ways to move emails to the task list is to set up and use a quick step. Quick steps are located at the top of your screen on your ribbon. Highlight the email to be moved. So if we take one here that we need to action, this particular document needs to be updated for Project A by Friday week. It's a 10 to 15 minute task, but we don't need to do it straight away. We can do it next week. Once the email is highlighted, we just simply click on the Move to Task in the Quick Steps, and it instantly takes the email from our inbox and inserts it into a task. The subject header is copied across. You can edit that if you want. Set the date for when we want to do it. It needs to be done by Friday the 13th, so we'll set it for, say, Thursday the 12th. The email, once we save and close, the email is now in your task list. If we go to our calendar view, click onto the date that we're looking at, and you can see that we have now got that particular task embedded into our calendar. Opening up the task, we can now access the email by double clicking. We can now see there's the email that we need to work on. Once we've finished the email, we can either delete it or we could save it and keep it for a later date. Other ways we can move email to the task list. First one is by clicking and dragging. So we use the right mouse button, click, hold, drag it to task, and you'll see a pop-up box comes here which asks us what do we want to do. So we would move here as task with attachment. It takes it out of your inbox, puts it into a task. Again, we just simply set the date, when do we want to work on it, save and close. Another way we can move emails to our task list is by right-clicking, using the move, and again looking for where do we want it to go. If tasks doesn't show up, you need to select it from other folders. But again, it just takes it out, moves it into our task list, set the date, when do we want to work on it, save and close. The final way that we can do it is by using the Move button on the ribbon. Click on that. Again, if tasks isn't showing up, use the other folders to find it. Click on task. Once we have set the date, we can again just save and close. So there's 4 different ways. By far the quickest way, of course, is using the quick steps. Once they're set up, we simply highlight the email, click on the quick step, set the date, save and close. For setting up quick steps, please see the how-to video in this series. I hope this how-to helps you to gain control over your email. Please see our other how-to videos for other tips and tricks. Till next time, thank you.